I got nuts in my teeth.
You want to do that? Okay, just follow my lead.
Sure.
Okay. Welcome to an episode of Get Done, where we take a project that has been previously started, never completed, and get it done. I'm Shelly.
I'm Carrie.
And in this episode, we are going to finish our CATIO that we started back in October of 2023. It's time to get her done.
Get that done.
I'll go get the fencing out of the garage. Let's talk about how we built the CATIO up until this point.
That's a long time ago.
I know. Long time ago.
A few projects ago that just got started that never got finished.
I know.
Start with the base. Well, we made it, a standard 2x4 base.
Yeah.
And then we put our supports in.
Yeah.
And then we put our floor on.
The plywood.
Plywood, basically building a shed.
Yeah.
And then we
framed around the window.
Okay.
Next.
I did the back wall first.
Yeah, because this is our second CATIO.
Yeah, the first one was it was a good attempt, but it was a failed attempt for bugs.
Okay.
Flies, mosquitoes, they found every crack and crevice to get into the house.
We didn't seal it off properly.
Yeah.
By building it around the window, we were able to put a back on it.
Yeah, we put the plywood on the back.
Make it so that it was a completely sealed unit so that no bugs could get into
no bugs or critters
the house.
Should not be able to get in there. It
doesn't have a roof.
No.
And so all the rain goes in there, so if it rains or snows, it gets really wet inside and it doesn't allow them to use it in the weather that they would really love to be outside in. Almost every one of our projects starts with a new tool. It's kind of like the fee that I pay to get the labor.
This one has a little fee though. Okay. What the heck?
Tell me about your struggles with the staple gun.
I had no struggles. No struggles at all. New fancy staple gun. It worked great.
This is what we bought for the roofing, but it's very dirty. I think I'm gonna have to clean it.
Yeah, I will.
Because it's been
I don't know how this
outside for a year.
Figure out this nail stapler that we bought.
I'm gonna say this man can fix or build just about anything, but I was pretty sure that staple gun was gonna take him out. One more piece. I'm gonna go get some soapy water and clean these.
Something's not right here. I gotta figure out the stapler.
What? You should say what you're doing.
What?
You should say what you're doing.
What I'm doing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I will. Trying to figure out how to use a nail gun. That work? Ah, look at that. Figured out this new tool. This one's different. You got to flip it upside down, and then you got to pull the dooflinky out, and then you put the staples in, and then put it back together.
Well, you handled it well. There was no cursing or swearing.
I had a microphone on, so I couldn't.
Our next step was taking off all the braces so that we could staple on the wire. Next step,
I'm just going to trim down the screen that I did. Go down the side and trimmer to make it so you're not going to see it once the board is gone.
The sun's coming out. Maybe we'll be able to get this done.
Maybe.
What did we buy?
We bought 1/2 by 1/2 square mesh. Galvanized half by half.
And that's what it looks like, so that no critters can get in. I don't think a mouse can get through these holes. I think that they are small enough that a critter can't get in.
I'm not sure. Mice can get through pretty much anything. Uh-oh, wants to go. And on the back. And 81 inches, so we're gonna go 83 inches. 42.
40 inches?
42.
42.
Lord Thunder.
Yeah, I hear thunder.
Yeah.
It seems distant, so.
Kilometers away.
What are you doing?
I'm bending this one so that we get a starting point at the top.
You're bending a straight edge.
Yeah, basically straight edge. Cut the corner.
You really should have gloves on.
Can't work with this stuff.
For me to hold it?
I'm not sure because I kind of got it there, so let me just put a couple staples in there.
I don't think you're tight. You're not tight enough over here. Do you want my staple remover out of the office?
No. Ah, silly. I can poke myself this way, it doesn't clench first.
Ow.
Take a little fun.
Okay.
Better.
I would say that.
I'd say that should be good. Once
Okay.
you put the 2x4s, the 2x2s back in place, it'll stiffen it back up.
It looks good.
Freestyle it.
Max is at the window trying to get out. Under construction, Max. It's the summer, don't you know that? After we added the steel mesh, we framed it up with 2x2 pressure treated boards. That's pretty.
One panel done.
Then we just repeated the same steps for the other 3 sides.
It wasn't 3 sides, so because we only have 2 sides and
Oh, the
one at
other
the front.
3 sections. Now I'll cut the next panel while you prep it all. Just tell me what to cut. 80? Well, we ended up getting rained out the other day, and with the rain came the fall. It's currently about 18 degrees and it's cool, and let's get it done. We were able to complete all the sides the other day, but we didn't get the roof completed. So that's today's task, is get the roof done. So let's get to it. The plan?
No plan.
No plan.
I gotta look at it. I gotta investigate to figure out what we're doing. I got nothing right at the moment.
Okay, let's talk about the roof.
I don't want to talk about the roof.
We don't know how we're doing
I'm
the
not
roof.
sure how the roof's going yet. That's going to be kind of a game day. Let's figure this stuff out.
A lot of what we do is trial and error.
Yep, we definitely do that. But it usually works out in the first or second attempt.
We always get it eventually. We always figure it out.
Yeah. Put a 2x4 across the back there first.
A 2x4 across the back?
Yeah, so then we got somewhere to nail these sticks to. Now I can put some wire on it.
There you go. I'm going to get my gloves.
It's not wide enough unless we just cut strips. Or we just use a whole piece.
Hold on. I can't think without my gloves.
This piece isn't wide enough.
Is it wide enough if you put a 2x4 across the back and the front?
No.
All right, you just do what you think is best. I'm the sous chef, you're the chef.
I'm just gonna do, I honestly, I'm not even put a 2x4 in the back, I'm gonna put a 2x2. Because if I do 2x4, it's gonna screw up the pitch.
Okay.
So I'll stick a 2x2 right across the back.
Aren't you cold?
Nope. Not at all.
Thinking about going to get a hat.
Oh, please. Not that cold out here, jeez. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I already cut 5, so you need 5 more.
Here's long enough.
I do have longer ones. Solid. Is that our kids? Let's make sure because we get double dogs in there. I like how small it is.
How small? The wire?
How much do you love me?
Why?
I need nails. They're beside the barbecue. Smaller one's gonna go.
Do you want it smaller?
Nope, it'll go.
I don't know. Oh, you want to put a front on it?
Wow, we could put a front on it. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm right at the end.
It's perfect?
It could go your way like a hair.
Oh, let me do my way.
Right there. Now it's perfect on my end.
All right, well then that would actually work then. I don't like doing this. So I'll get shot in the hand. All right.
That looks good. I like it.
Yeah, we'll put the first one right in this vicinity right here and see what it does. See that going anywhere? I'm supposed to peel this tape off after installation.
And then our last step is adding a little decor on the inside.
There's another step?
Yeah, we have to do the inside, the interior.
Oh, that's right. We need to make it pretty.
We need to make it pretty.